Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up your V8 sound card Bluetooth speaker. First, let's power on the V8 sound card. Find the power button, usually located on the top or side. Press and hold it for about 3 to 5 seconds until you see the power indicator light illuminate steadily. This confirms your sound card is now ready for the next steps in our setup process. Now that your V8 sound card is powered on, it's time to activate its Bluetooth pairing mode. Locate the Bluetooth button on the sound card and give it a quick press. You'll notice the Bluetooth indicator light will start flashing rapidly. This flashing pattern is your signal that the sound card is actively searching for a device to connect with, preparing for seamless audio transmission. With your V8 sound card in pairing mode, grab your Bluetooth speaker. Power it on and ensure it's also in its own pairing mode, often indicated by a flashing light. On your speaker's Bluetooth menu, look for V8 sound card and select it. Once connected, the Bluetooth light on your V8 sound card will turn solid, confirming a successful and stable pairing between your devices. Finally, let's test your setup. Play some audio from your connected device, whether it's music or a voice recording, and listen through your Bluetooth speaker. Adjust the volume on both your V8 sound card and the speaker for optimal sound. Feel free to experiment with the sound card's built-in effects and voice changers to customize your audio experience. You are now ready to enjoy enhanced sound for your content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.